First up, YouTube has launched a sneak peek of its new video sharing feature, Clips. So move over, Shorts. We've got something new in YouTube here. But Clips is a way to select a very specific portion of a video between 5 seconds and 60 seconds, and anybody can do it. A creator can do it. Somebody just watching a video can do it. And the nice thing is you can give that a title. Mm-hmm. So one might be, the Just Bread story. And then we can go back
so good.
and hear about the baguettes. And you can get that section, and then I can say, not looking forward to going back and seeing meanies in real life. And you can make that clip. Another cool thing is if you go to marketingclock.com, you can sign up for a newsletter and get all the stories each and every week delivered right to you. But there's a link over to a YouTube video where you can actually make clips on the video itself.
Yeah, because it's not out yet wide.
Correct. It is not out yet. Worldwide, it's rolling out, I believe, to gaming channels first and live streamers. So it cannot be used on kids' content, live streams without DVR, live streams over 8+ hours, which...
I mean, that's long. You need to clip that. You need to clip something that large.
Are you doing the Truman Show? Is that what you're doing?
I never saw that movie. Is it good?
I
understand the concept. Oh, really?
Yeah. I saw parts of it where I saw like little end parts, but I bet spoilers. I would like it.
Yeah, I don't know.
And then you also cannot use clips on premieres when they are live. So you can go back and post and do it. So Jess, what are your thoughts?
I thought this was actually pretty cool. I did play with the demo, and it is as simple as you described, Greg. You just click where you want to start, where you want to stop, and you could add a little title. So that's really cool if you're sending your mom like a yoga pose or something. You could be like, this is the pose I was talking about, Mom, and just share it. But when I saw this at first, I did think it was kind of weird that you could just clip somebody else's video. But the nice thing that YouTube does here is it creates a URL to share the clip, but it doesn't create a unique video. So it brings you to that original video. You cannot steal content with this. They thought about that. Obviously, it was very thoughtful. So I like it. I think it'll be great for us too if we want to share like a piece of this show with somebody or, anything with clients, just like a little snippet. If they don't want to watch a 20-minute video, you can send them exactly to something. I think it's great. I think it's very useful in a lot of ways.
Yeah, and one of the big things is I think it's going to lead for a lot more collaboration, especially when you've got fans, right? You've got fanatics. Fans is short for fanatics. And you've got somebody interacting with YouTube channels, and you can just pull out little elements, share them. And again, it's a way that everybody can kind of relate and interact. So I love this change. Sign me up for clips.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Like what you saw? Of course you did. If you're looking for more, Marketing and Clock releases new episodes every Friday with digital marketing news of the week. You can subscribe wherever you consume your podcasts, or click to watch the full episode, the next news story, or read all the articles from the show.